Hey, welcome to this brand new video on how to create playground on Xcode. So let's get started. Follow along with me. It's my Xcode. So what you have to do is click get started with playground. Click there, take blank space, go next. I'll save mine on my desktop, so you can choose whatever desired folder, or maybe same on your desktop. That is fine and good. Yep, so this is it. So let us try to see how we can change the font size of our playground. You go to Xcode preference. So let's make, this is how you can change everything, the color, background and whatsoever. So let's take dark color and let's make the font size to be a little bit big. As you can see, this is where you change the font size of your playground project, but you cannot leave it like this, because if you are building some kind of application would need a lot of code, you can use this. You can use it like this where the number are too big. So but this one is just for reference, just for example. So I'll click on, this is it. This is our playground. You see, now you can start typing. For example, let's say var name equals to, let me give my name and let's print whoa. Print, you can see equals to Simon. So var is just something to tell you that it's just a variable, something which can change. Var name or other var string, you can change this string into whatever name you want. For example, if I can just say let var John equals to this. So it's just a variable, okay? But this is not a video where we want to talk about that. I just want to show you guys how to create a playground on Xcode. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more video every week. Until then, see you.